Welcome to the Extremosity channel. Continuing off from the last segment. Extremosity.
But I tell you what, it's well worth it for the look that you get after the highway is installed.
Want to grab that side table? Just hold it.
Yep.
Yep.
I can move.
You would think they would have did this at the factory, right? When they got the stuff off.
A lot of the options are dealer installed.
Okay.
So they probably to streamline the production process.
Yeah, get the cars all over faster.
They can build whatever, and then if you order some additional.
Right.
Sorry. Oh, you were gonna put it up on here.
Bumper off. Highway spoiler coming soon. But now you can see the back of the awesome C8 Supercar Corvette. You can see my car was born 2/13/20. Number 24. I guess that might be the technician that was working on it. And we got a Camaro in here making noise. We got lots of challenges here. Just another day until Alabama. Just another day until Alabama. You're smacked out all day.
Give me a start up.
ZL-1 sounds great. Stock sauce and everything? Everything's stock.
Is it
I can't get up to be able to take that top of that spoiler off.
are the studs coming through the?
Yeah, the studs will come with it.
Okay.
So bring it up.
You're bending the horn.
We're gonna be pulling
Once we get it started here, the rest
It'll be
will
easier to. I'm giving some support here when you're ready to come. You want to take a heater warrant?
Got it all off, then I gotta wipe it down with alcohol or
Oh,
solution here to get it all. So it needs some cleaner to get it all off. Put that high wheeling spoiler on there. Come on here. You got some screws. So that locked into the same screws that were already on there? Okay,
Yeah, if
that's
it doesn't
cool.
have the original wing, I have to drill that out.
Oh, okay. Yeah, if you didn't get the Z51, you'd have to drill it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Keep those out. Those are just center lines.
I was gonna say I don't have enough noise.
Connecting the tail lights to the wires. Wing is all up.
Might need another car, and it's going to come through here, go right into brake rotors in the back.
That's amazing. Is that
It
also
is.
on the front as well?
Yes, the ones in the grill that we recorded earlier.
Yes.
Now that this is all sealed off, so your tire is going to be here, and now this air can't get out except through the, through the wheel area.
Yes.
These are the coolers from the grill. Yes. It's going to be.
This is the rear brake cooling. Air flows right in there. Goes right up into the brakes.
They're different size
that
front and
bag?
back, right? 19s in the front, 20 in the back.
Tire size, yes.
Yep.
Are you cool with me doing this? Roll them on. I'm tired.
He works for Chevy now. It's like,
Yeah, he's just an innocent bicycle.
nitrogen in the tires. Just like the Charger Daytona Hellcat I have. It's filled up with nitrogen. Even got the luggage. Luggage fits snugly with the car cover.
I mean, just think about this. With this wing that he applied on there and with the downforce.
Then we got the luggage in the front. This is how the luggage in the front fits. Still some extra room in there.
Yeah, I bet you.
Still plenty of room.
You want to start it?
Yeah, but
Right.
Extremosity.